Okay, so today we're going to show you how to measure angles that are not defined for us. So this first angle here, you're going to get your protractor and go from the vertex here and line it up with the hole. Remember that you want to make sure that this line right here lines up with one of the other lines. I'm going to try and make it as straight as possible. So once you have this, then you're going to go and make sure to count up or start at 10 from either side. So if I look over here, since I'm going to be counting this way to measure the angle, I'm going to be starting from the inside, counting up from 10. So I go 10, 20, 30, 40. So this angle right here is a 40-degree angle. The reason I don't use my outside is because when I have it lined up like this, that would tell me it's 140 degrees, which would make it obtuse. This is an acute angle, not obtuse, so that's a good way to check your answer. As from this bottom one, once again, I'm going to line up my vertex with the point here. I happen to just pick this line just to make it easy for me in viewing. Again, since I'm going to be opening up, I'm going to be counting from the inside again, counting over here, not the outside. It can get tricky when you have an obtuse angle, but I know if I'm counting, I want to count up to count to the angle, not down. So once again, if I start from 10 over here and everything's lined up, go all the way over and I have 100, 110, 120, 130. It's falling right in between these two, so it's 125. So once again, this is a 125-degree angle. If I had just left it over here and was trying to count the opposite way, lining up this way, well, that wouldn't work because if I wanted to count up from 10 here, I don't have the ray lined up. And it would also give me about a 65-degree angle, which does not work since this is an obtuse angle. It is more than 90 degrees.